Good day sa lahat ng ating mga subscribers sa ating YouTube channel at sa lahat na interested ng ETAP or Expanded Tertiary Education Equivalency and Accreditation Program. Siguro marami sa inyo nakapagbalita na ang ETAP na dating executive order naging batas na po under Republic Act 12.12.4 or 12124. Ito ay isang way of earning a degree based on your work experience. Okay. So sa lahat na aking mga estudyante na naging licensed criminologist na at sa lahat na gusto pa rin mag-earn ng BS Criminology via ETAP, ito na ang inyong pagkakataon. So lahat na high school graduate na hindi pa nakapagtapos or second courser, di ba? Pero ang trabaho mo dati, like for example, isa kang nurse or isa teacher, tapos napunta ka sa Tri-Bureau. Ang ibig sabihin ng Tri-Bureau, Philippine National Police, Bureau of Fire Protection, and Bureau of Jail Management and Penology. Pero, hindi ka criminology. So, ito na. Kailangan ko lang na may 5 years industry experience. Or you are in the industry or public safety sector sa security, providing security, VIP protection, or property protection. Diba? So ito na ang aking program under this ETAP, under the following schools of FINMA. Ang ating Arroyo University sa Cabanatuan, Iloilo University sa Iloilo, at ang Cagayan de Oro College Center of Excellence sa Cagayan de Oro City. All under in all going on. So just visit schools that and look for the College of Criminal Justice Education, talk to the dean, and inquire about ETAP in criminology. But for guidance to all who are interested, who may not be residing near the cities that I have mentioned, pwede po kayo maka-avail ng program. We have satellite offices to assist you in the enrollment. Let's start with Cagayan de Oro College in Cagayan de Oro City. For those in the Davao region, we have Doc Reggie Lidres, Tagum. We have our Gemini Review in Tagum. You can visit that place or sa Facebook. So, for Davao region. For Caraga, we have Doc Arciti and Doc Milihor as well as Dr. Ways. Sa Caraga areas yon. Going dito sa BARM at Wao area, we have Professor Hines Malagamba. Pwede ninyong hanapin siya diyan sa Wao. In Cagayan de Oro, we have Romy Caralde, our office secretary ng ETAP. Diyan sa Cagayan de Oro College mismo sa Cagayan de Oro City. Tapos sa Miss Oc down to Zamboanga mismo. Andiyan si Dean Junville Insong sa Usamis to Oroquieta Sa Dipolog, si Danit. Dito sa may Dipolog, no? Si Ma'am Danit Abilia. Tapos, going to Zamboanga, si Grace Paner. But we are establishing our networks in these areas, no? Pero yung gusto, pwedeng mag-contact directly dito sa ating YouTube channel. Sa Cebu, Visayas to Iloilo, you have Din Au Cordero in Iloilo. We have also Ray Art, Doc R City in that area. Pag Luzon, in the NCR, we have the Pasay Group with Professor Camilo Manatad, si June Castro, at James Howell sa Pasay Review Center natin diyan sa Airport Road. I-search ninyo, i-google ninyo, mayroon tayo. Tapos dito sa may Villamor Air Base to Bulacan, you have Dean Siegfried de Malanta, who can help you. Papunta tayo ng AU Maine, Arroyo University, Maine. You have Miss Rosel Soriano, doon sa Kabanatuan mismo. Diba? Tapos, papunta paganggang north, we have Dr. Mario Rosite sa Aurora. At ngayon, si Doc Gisrael Vicente is helping us, no? Dito sa Quezon Province to Batangas, Laguna, we have Rose and Morris in the Lucina Gemini at Villa Rosalinda Farm in Sairaya, Quezon. That's the boundary of Lucina. Tapos, of course, we have Doc Bertodaso in Muntinlupa. Tapos, pag we're working with some students in Tacloban area, no, with Dean Mario Rositi. We're trying na madaanan din kayo. So, sa Palawan, we are establishing in Puerto Princesa again. Sa matagal-tagal na panahon na hindi tayo nakapag-sit up ulit diyan sa Puerto. Kasi gusto natin yung gustong mag-itiap ng criminology. Ang criminology lang po ang aking program under itiap. So, of course, we are trying to reach out in this area. You may message us through the YouTube channel. Okay, so lahat. Enrollment until June 30 for the next batch. Okay? Take note that mag-vary ang ating evaluation based sa experience mo. So, kailangan malaman natin. At para sa lahat na enrolled this coming semester, kailangan mag-subscribe muna kayo dito sa ating YouTube channel. Because our notices or publication of schedules will also be posted in the YouTube channel. Okay? So we will give you the schedule and the things that we do by July. Meantime, right now you prepare all your documents from certificate of employment, endorsements, trainings na attend mo within that minimum period of time of 5 years. However, ang ibig sabihin nun, minimum, ang tinatanggap natin, yung 5 years in the work, in that industry. Ha? Siyempre, kung lampas, the better. Kung more than 10 years, 15 years, or 8 years. So, pwede. Kasi tayo tumatanggap sa Armed Forces of the Philippines. Marami tayong mga Air Force, Army, Navy. Mayroon din tayo sa Philippine Coast Guards. Active tayo. Yan palagi naman sumusuporta sa atin yung Coast Guard. Sa OTEs, sa DOTR, under DOTR. At mga casinos, no, yung mga security supervisors nila. Marami tayong mga interested applicants in criminology, ETAP, from different sectors. Basta public safety. Di ba? Kailangan natin yung experience. At i-enhance po kayo para makumplito yung actual practice and the theoretical thing, i-blend yan at bigyan ng credit. So, ulitin ko, ito ay in accordance with the new law, Republic Act 1224. Di ba? 1212.4. Di ba? So, yun ang bagong batas. You can browse that in the internet. Ngayon, signed by President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos. At ito ay minomonitor ng Commission on Higher Education. By the way, ang ETIAP ay tagal-tagal nang ini-execute. From my end, I started ETIAP way back in 2004. So 20 years more, 21 to be exact. Ang iba, as early as 2019, nag-umpisa na, di ba, ang ETIAP. Pero tayo, sa schools of FENMA, 3. Iloilo University, Arroyo University, and Cagayan de Oro College. So, wag na kayong magdalawang isip. Magtanong. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Piliin mo yung lahat na orientation ko ng ETIAP para may maintindihan ka. Kasi ang may bago lang na modality, pero hindi talaga nag-deviate from the previous process. No? So, ganun pa rin, except lang na from the executive order, naging Republic Act siya. See you and subscribe to my YouTube channel.